Welcome to our channel, where today we will be discussing the advantages of water transport. Water transport is a cost-effective mode of transportation, allowing for the transportation of large quantities of goods. It is the most energy-efficient mode of transportation, leading to a lower carbon footprint. Water transport can navigate through various terrains, even in areas with shallow waters or strong currents. It has the capacity to transport oversized cargo which cannot be accommodated by other modes of transport. Water transport provides a reliable and consistent service, with regular schedules and routes established. It is an ideal mode of transport for long-distance travel, offering reduced transit times and increased efficiency. Water transport is less affected by traffic congestion and road accidents compared to other modes of transportation. It is less vulnerable to adverse weather conditions such as storms, snow, or fog, ensuring smoother operations. Water transport contributes to economic growth by connecting different regions and facilitating trade between nations. It enhances global trade by providing access to remote and landlocked areas through rivers, canals, and ports. Water transport supports the tourism industry by offering scenic cruises and leisurely riverboat tours. It reduces reliance on traditional road transportation, easing traffic congestion and reducing wear and tear on roads. Water transport has lower fuel consumption per ton-kilometer than road and air transport. It is a safer mode of transportation, with statistically fewer accidents and fatalities compared to road transport. Water transport is capable of carrying a wide range of goods, including bulk commodities, liquids, and hazardous materials. It provides an environmentally friendly alternative to road transport, reducing carbon emissions and air pollution. Water transport is essential for the import and export of goods, supporting international trade and global economic development. It allows for the transportation of goods in large quantities, reducing unit costs and increasing profitability. Water transport is particularly efficient for transporting heavy or bulky goods that may exceed weight limits on roads or railways. It offers significant economies of scale, as large vessels can carry thousands of containers or tons of cargo. Water transport provides access to remote and underserved areas, opening up opportunities for economic development and growth. It is a mode of transportation that can operate 24/7, allowing for continuous movement of goods and materials. Water transport helps to diversify transportation options, reducing reliance on a single mode of transport. It supports regional development by connecting inland areas to coastal cities, encouraging economic growth. Water transport is relatively immune to fuel price fluctuations, making it a stable and predictable mode of transportation. It requires fewer infrastructural investments compared to road or rail transport, reducing the cost burden on governments. Water transport reduces traffic congestion in urban areas, as goods can be transported using rivers and canals. It has a lower risk of theft or damage to goods compared to road or rail transport. Water transport is ideal for transporting perishable goods such as fruits, vegetables, and seafood. It offers a more comfortable travel experience compared to road or air transport, with spacious cabins and scenic views. Water transport promotes cultural exchange and tourism by connecting different regions and allowing for exploration. It is an essential mode of transport for landlocked countries, providing access to global markets through rivers and seas. Water transport is a sustainable mode of transportation, aligned with efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. It supports domestic industries by providing cost-effective transportation for raw materials and finished goods. Water transport can alleviate pressure on congested road and rail networks by diverting some of the traffic to waterways. Overall, water transport offers numerous advantages, from lower costs and energy efficiency to environmental sustainability and economic growth. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on transportation and logistics.